Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this steampunk outfit in Dress to Impress. So in this DTI tutorial, we are bringing steampunk chic to life with fierce fashion straight from an alternate timeline. So this is the steampunk outfit that I created, and I'm going to show you how you can create this look step by step. Okay, so for the hair, I'm using these three hairstyle, but for this one in here, I'm only using the bangs, the first one here. And next, I'm going to go to find the code items and as a currency item first to put on here. So first, I'm going to use this code items, this one. And here I'm going to toggle it into number 2 and turn off the shiny dress and color it in brown, dark brown here. And next, go to the currency tab and put on this dress here, but toggle it into only the skirt and color it dark brown and light brown like this. I'm going to put on also the eyelashes from the code item, and for the shoe I'm using this boots in here and color it brown. And also this necklace here, I'm going to change the color into black. And now I'm going to put on this hat first and also color it in dark brown. And here, to complete the look of the dress, I'm going to use on this puffy shoulder with the same this light brown color, and this top in here, change all the color into brown. And now put on this long sleeves and make the color the same like the shoulder puff. And this is it. This is the final look for the steampunk outfit. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks for more DTI tutorial. Bye!